Hi everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube Tech Stack Learning. I hope you all are doing great and have viewed my previous sessions on Node.js, its tips and tricks, and different real world examples. If you haven't watched previous sessions, please go ahead and watch and subscribe to my channel. If you have any specific topic on the Node.js you want me to explore along with you, please put it in your comment box. I'll surely help you get those content for you. Okay, so today's sessions are mainly focusing on different ways of logging in Node.js. So I have split the session into two. One with the basic logging, how you can do it in the Node, and next session will be on advanced technique on how you can uh, log in Node.js. Okay, so today's session, whether you're working on the small or the large enterprise application, logging is very much important, right? In case if is it for debugging or for your information, right? So a lot of very important. So in Node.js, logging is typically using built-in console methods or but there are several ways to log objects and complex data structures, right? Today we will dive into some of the basic logging mechanism what we have in Node.js, and like console.log, console directory, and this kind of JSON stringify. So how we can use that, and the next session to after this, which I'll be posting in a couple of days, we'll be covering related to the advanced techniques using the utilities or the Winston, right? So these all I'll be covering it. Okay, so by end of this video, you will have a solid understanding of how to use this console log and other basic features of logging the objects. Okay, so let's get started. So let me go ahead and create one folder called log objects. It's basic. Okay, I'm going to create app.js. So here let's start with the basic one. Okay, so I'll just do const person equal to name colon Myra, then I will put age, sorry, reset, age colon 30. Okay, so this is one object I have, and I'm going to print as this. Okay, so person. So let's go to cd log, then node app. So you can see it has printed the object. This will output the object in a readable format showing the properties and the values. Now if you want to show it as a table, right? So same way, I'll just put console dot table of person. Okay, so let me just, you can see the same thing has been viewed or logged as a table. This is the second way where it will be a tabular view with a key value space. The next, the similar one, if you want to in a JSON format, right? Formatted JSON style, making it useful for logging or saving the data into a file. So what I'll do here is save console.log of JSON, sorry, JSON dot stringify of person. Okay, then what will I put? So let's print the sense. See, this has been given in a readable format. Okay, so this is the third way of handling it. This is purely a basic log. Okay, basic console log. Then you have tabular log. Okay, then you have JSON stringify way. Okay, So next, logging nested object. For nested objects, console log or console table will handle it properly. Okay, so let me take an example which I have kept it for you. So I'll just declare another object called this. Okay, now if I have to put, this is a nested ones, right? So this for nested log or nested modules or nested objects, right? Always dot table, or it could be a dot log, right? This is very helpful. You can see this is giving you the detailed and the nested way of handling it. Okay, so if I just try to do it in table, you can see this has given you all the required details, right? So this will be outputting the nested structure, and console table will give you the more organized table. So, and always whenever you are logging, right, you always use this kind of, that will be giving you a meaningful object, meaningful logs, right? So always put a label like this, right? Otherwise what happens is it's little of off, right? If you just put without any label or things. Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay, you can see the person object gives a clear cut what you're logging, and especially in the complex applications with multiple objects. Okay, so this is all about the basic ways of handling the logs. So that wraps up our console or the logging, basic logging objects in Node.js. We have covered everything in terms of basic logging, like how to use console.log, console.table, how to use a JSON stringify, how to display the nested objects. So this all has been covered. And in the next session, I'll be covering the advanced techniques of logging, that is basically using the util, or it could be a instant logger, right? This is all I'll be covering in the next session. So if you like my channel, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and please hit the like button, put your comments if anything specific you need. And bye till then, we get into the next session. Thank you for watching.